Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Easy Learning. In this video, we are going to see Class 10 Geography, Chapter Manufacturing Industries, Part 3. Those who didn't watch Part 1 and 2, kindly go through the video. Link is given in description. In this Part 3 video, we can see industrial pollution, environmental degradation, and control of environmental degradation. First, we can see industrial pollution. What is industrial pollution? Yes, it is a type of pollution caused due to various activities of the industries. Industrial pollution has its severe impact on the environment and is causing various types of pollution such as air pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution, and noise pollution. Now let's see all these types of pollution in detail. First, we can see air pollution. Air pollution is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Smoke emitted by the industries spoils human health, animals, plants, and the atmosphere as a whole. Now, can you give some measures to control air pollution? You can use comment box. Yes, you are right. Better fuel selection and utilization, use of oil instead of coal in the industries, then use of equipments like filters, precipitators, and scrubbers. Very good. Next, we can see water pollution. How do industries pollute water? Yes, industrial waste or industrial effluent are discharged into rivers, which are both organic and inorganic, that cause water pollution. Paper pulp, textiles, chemical, petroleum refining, tannery, and electroplating are the major industries that create water pollution. Now, can you suggest few measures to control water pollution? As earlier, you can use comment box. Yes, water should be used, that is reused and recycled to maximize its usage. Very good. Then rainwater should be harvested to meet water requirements. Yes. Then hot water and effluents should be treated before releasing in river and ponds. Very good. Yes, treatment of industrial liquids by biological, chemical, and physical process, which includes recycling of wastewater. Next, we can see noise pollution. How do industries create noise pollutions? Yes, industrial and constructional activities, machinery, factory equipment, generators that create unwanted sound. It not only results in irritation and anger, it can also cause hearing impairment, increased heart rate, and blood pressure, among other psychological effects. Now, can you tell me some of the consequences of noise pollution? Yes, noise pollution cause irritation, anger, yes, hearing impairment, increase heart rate, blood pressure. Very good. Next, we can see thermal pollution. What is thermal pollution? Yes, it is the degradation of water quality by any process that changes ambient water temperature. Thermal pollution of water occurs when hot water released from thermal plants and factories drained into water bodies before cooling. Waste from nuclear power plants, nuclear and weapon production facilities cause cancers, birth defects, and miscarriages. Now, let me ask you one question. How is soil polluted by water pollution? Yes, there is a close relation between soil and water pollution. Dumping of waste, particularly glass, harmful chemicals, industrial effluents, and garbage, make the soil useless. Rainwater moves down slowly into the soil, carrying the pollutants under the ground. By this, the groundwater contaminates. Next, we can see the topic control of environmental degradation. You know, every liter of wastewater discharged by our industry pollutes 8 times the quantity of fresh water. How can the industrial pollution of fresh water be reduced? Few suggestions are here. First, minimizing use water for processing by reusing and recycling it into 2 or more successive stages. Next, harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. Then, treating hot water and effluents before releasing them in rivers and ponds. Treatment of industrial effluents can be done in 3 phases. First, primary treatment by mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocculation, and sedimentation. Then, secondary treatment by biological process. Next, tertiary treatment by biological, chemical, and physical process. This involves recycling of wastewater. Overdrawing of groundwater reserves by industry where there is a threat to groundwater resources also needs to be regulated legally. Particulate matter in the air can be reduced by fitting smokestacks to factories with electrostatic precipitators, fabric filters, scrubbers, and inertial separators. Smoke can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal in factories. Machinery and equipment can be used, and generators should be fitted with silencers. Almost all machinery can be redesigned to increase energy efficiency and reduce noise. Noise absorbing material may be used apart from personal use of earplugs and earphones. The challenge of sustainable development requires integration of economic development with environmental concerns. Dear viewers, have you heard about NTPC? National Thermal Power Corporation? Yes, it is a major power providing corporation in India. The corporation is taking action before the problem becomes serious. It is preserving the natural environment and resources like water, oil, and gas and fuels in place where it is setting up power plants. For making it possible, they do optimum utilization of equipments, adopting latest techniques and upgrading existing equipments, minimizing waste generation by maximizing ash utilization, then providing green belts for nurturing ecological balance, then addressing the question of special purpose vehicles of afforestation, then reducing environmental pollution through ash pond management, ash water recycling system, and liquid waste management, then ecological monitoring reviews and online database management for all its power stations. Dear viewers, I hope you have understood the concept. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can comment in the comment box. I will do my level best. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you back in next video. Until then, bye.